did not make this trip this time. So it's the reset button with Tannen and Karen, video exclusive. We're headed to Timeline Arcade up in Hanover, Pennsylvania. So we're gonna record. We're gonna show you guys a little bit of it. Gonna spend a little bit of time there. We got our snacks. We got our smokes.
We got a Red Bull.
We got a Red Bulls. I mean, it's gonna be a good time. So
we'll see you at Timeline.
Yeah, see you in the future.
Taking the scenic route up to Timeline Arcade. We're going through Catoctin State Park over by Cunningham Falls right now in Maryland.
Hello. A nice scenic drive. We have an ETA of 36 minutes until we arrive. And we'll show you a little bit more of also beautiful historic Hanover.
We'll see you then.
So now we're actually making a pit stop here in Gettysburg. This is the town of Gettysburg. We're gonna be going to a place called the Gario Wen. It's Irish restaurant. Jeez. Damn Pennsylvania drivers. But
there's also here too.
get you a little bit of footage of some of this old architecture here.
Irish too.
Oh, be. The place we're going to is better.
No, that was just like an Irish store where you could buy Irish stuff.
Oh.
Where is it?
It's coming up. Oh, actually, it'll be on the left, sorry. Anyway, we're gonna go eat. After our little detour, we're here now in what is obviously Hanover. So it is kind of funny though. I mean, this doesn't look like your usual back alley parking. There's Timeline right now. I'm just kidding. That's not Timeline. Doc, I have to tell you about the future.
We are in historic Hanover, Pennsylvania, outside of the Timeline Arcade. We're here about to blow your minds. Out of all kinds of arcades in the greater Hagerstown area.
I'm Captain Millennium Falcon.
And I'm also dead. Oh god, no. That was really quick. Oh shit.
It's energy. Surround us. And bind us. All back up to the house. Control, you must be in control.
Oh my god.
A wall has been saved, Captain Solo. You are red.
we are.
Oh, it's a sub.
80s games. 90s games.
Alright, just to show you guys around a little bit, I paused on this area. This place even has a lounging area for gaming. This sweet ass thing too. And there you have it, folks. A floor model TV with all of your classics one would want. This is just totally worth it. It's only 25 bucks to play all you want. You got your classic push bowling here. This is something though. You can actually look this up. There is a video on YouTube of it, but Costa Nick Arcade actually came here, and you can finally fulfill your dreams of going to Universal Studios in Orlando and playing better than any of those kids ever did. Coors Light bowling. Aaron discovered Demolition Man, the game.
That I horribly failed.
As I was trying to show earlier in the video, this is a really interesting one. The Tales from the Crypt game. The art on it is absolutely amazing.
So easy.
Sorry, I was covering up the thing, but absolutely amazing. Made in the 90s.
Wow, that one.
I'm older than this thing is, but yeah, you hit that. It actually has a door handle as your launcher. Oops. Push start again.
Double balls, triple balls.
Whoa, yeah. This is in whoops. Oh, there we go. It's hard to play pinball one-handed. Yeah, I mean, there's even great classics here. I mean, Space Invaders.
It's my favorite.
Terminator 2. Judgment Day.
You'll be back. Right here.
Again, the art on these things is just absolutely amazing. I actually have a t-shirt from when Flippers got this in. Remember that? Wow. Maybe this will actually work. I'm really surprised you're not checking this one out. But oh yeah, what else do you want to see? I mean, this place is like endless. 25 bucks, unlimited play. I mean, you just cannot beat any of this. Oh my god.
Bad dudes
Fucking
versus
bad
the Dragon
dudes.
Ninja. The Golden Tea up in here.
Some Ghostbusters. This is a pretty cool little room, actually. Oh my god. Shout out to Travis. We were just talking about this one. The X-Men game. Holy crap. Soul Edge. Which I'm pretty sure this is the original Soul Calibur.
Version 2.
Killer Instinct 2. I was definitely talking about Killer Instinct on the last episode. And the sad out of order sign. Oh my god, what's this? Well, this is a whole other bastion of this place. Obviously, if you're having a pizza party, and it looks like we have Five Nights at Freddy's up in here. I'm kind of creeped out to be in here by myself, just because I feel like these guys are going to come to life and try to eat me. Alright, I'll be actually filming a little bit more here and there, but I want to have some fun. Well, how convenient is this? Game of the Week actually is in front of me in arcade form. So I can actually play. And pick my name real quick. Yeah, we'll make it S. I was born in December 1st. Wow. I forgot how detailed this game actually was when it came out. Anyway, though, let's go ahead and play some off-road real quick. I don't know what color I am. Oh, I'm yellow, and I'm not doing very good. Not doing good at all. Holy crap. But this was one of my favorite arcade games from back in the day, so I can actually say, hey, look, here's a video review, and it's not just anything else. This is the real deal right here. Oh my god, I'm doing terrible.
Come on, Tannen, you can do better than that, bud.
I wish I could. Anyway, though, yep, there you have it, Travis. Game of the Week, and its actual real form, the way it's supposed to be played.
Oh, that guy's doing a cartwheel, though. See, it's like both players are the...
What, the arms and legs? I guess it takes two to make a real RoboCop. Oh, man. Ultra 64 hat on here! Oh my god. That's right, because before it was the N64, it was the Ultra 64. Karen's ass at this game.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to play some X-Men with me? Awesome. Alright, so there you have it, folks. It is the lovely Timeline Arcade.
You can definitely bring your family, your friends, your loved ones here, spend a few hours, have a good time, and definitely get your money's worth because it's wonderful.
Most definitely.
You can even play something we didn't experience because we have all of the games and all of the systems at home ourselves, but you can play retro games as well as PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, Xbox One games here as well.
Name it, they've got it.
Definitely a place to check out. Timeline Arcade here in Hanover, Pennsylvania.
Yep.
Thanks for tuning into the reset button with Tannen and Karen this week.
Yep.